Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It's Friday, June 24th. Happy summer, happy weekend. Hope you're all doing well. I am fine. Everything's good here. Well, one of my cats is in a cone. She has an eye infection, but she's doing okay. But besides that, yeah, everybody's good. And I hope you had a nice Father's Day weekend. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture of me and my family. We went to a park for a picnic, which I think I mentioned last week in my haul. So it was really nice. So anyway, let's get started with this week's haul. I do not have that much at all. I think it's kind of a lull in crafty supply acquiring time, relatively at least. You know, it's like right before Christmas stuff comes out and, you know, pretty much everyone has the summer stuff that they want. I don't know. I just find it's a time to fill in some things that I wanted and or needed. So I did place an order with scrapbook.com because there were a few things I wanted, and also they had 3 freebies. Just make sure if you're getting the freebies at scrapbook.com, add them to your cart and then go and check your shipping charge, because sometimes the freebies, I don't know if it's based on weight or what, but they'll bump up your shipping charge. So if it's something I really, couldn't care less if I got or not, I'm not going to add it to my cart just to get it for free and then have to pay more in shipping. So it is like you're paying for it. So anyway, these 3 items did not bump up my shipping charge. And I say that because this morning I actually placed another order with scrapbook.com, and one of the freebies was going to bump up my shipping charge, so I took it out of my cart. So just in case you don't know that. So yeah, so I did pick up this paper pad. This is one of the newer ones from Doodlebug. It's called My Happy Place. And it is cute, although there aren't the cute little faces on this line so much. So I'm not sure how much of this line I want, because I think that really does add a lot of charm to their products. But I do like the designs on this and the colors. And I like that there's a splash of black in here. I think that's really interesting. So I haven't looked through this pad yet, but I did cut it open so we could look at it together. So I just got the 6x6 paper-wise, and once you get the 6x6, the collage prints are teeny tiny. So good for making small embellishments. So these are all like images of home, chairs and vacuums and coffee pots and TVs. And it's very cute. And it's double-sided. So this one has the little cut-aparts. Sorry for the shadow. You're so cool. Home is where your puppy is. I mean, these are really, really cute. But wouldn't this look cute with the little faces on it? I don't know. Maybe some people didn't want the faces, so they decide to try something new. This I really like. Home is where your kitty is. That looks like my cat Holly. Her sister is one with the cone on right now. Okay, and so it has this black with white polka dot. That's always nice to have. And this floral, which is a typical Doodlebug floral. Same for the stripe. Good to have. And these are some more cut aparts. Oh, a happy birthday one. Sending loads of love. That's really cute. Yeah. And then these strips, you can make these into tags easily. This is the Sweet Life, Home Sweet Home. These are my people. Very good for scrapbooking. Happiness is homemade. That would be good on a tag of something homemade, of course. So yeah, these are very cute. Love the little houses. I love house prints. There's a tiny polka dot. I think it's black on a light green. It's hard to tell what color the dot is. And then the back side of that are coffee mugs, polka dot coffee mugs with hearts, no happy faces. And then this side is like a succulent and flower, kind of a stripe. That's cute. That's different. And then there's that leaf print that I've seen before in Doodlebug. Black and white diagonal stripe. And there's a car print. That'd be good for like a little boy's card or something. There's florals, or girls who like cars. And a pretty rainbow stripe. This one, oh, look at those teeny tiny houses. So small, and trees. Love the colors. And then the pink has a tonal floral print on it. And there's a yellow with a tiny white polka dot. Very good to have. There's a Doodlebug plaid and bicycles with floral, flowers in the background. Also super tiny. And there's the back of that one. And then there's pink with little hearts on it. That's cute. And then the stripes or strips. Really, really cute. I wonder if they made this because of quarantine. You know, like some of those lines came out about being at home. That's cute, that black background floral. Oh, that's really pretty. This would be a great base for a card, a 6x6 card. And I think that repeats. Yep, so those are the different prints. Super cute, but I just wish it did have some of the faces. I also got the shape sprinkles to go with that. Like I said, I love little houses, so I got the puppy. Well, they're more like epoxy stickers, but really cute, and the hearts that go with it. So this one is called Home Sweet Home, 35 count. And I picked up these aren't Doodlebug, but I thought they'd go with it nicely. This is, I think it's a new Bo Bunny collection, Beautiful Things. So it's 75 pieces of candy dots, and they're like translucent enamel dots kind of. So there's like a bluish mint color, green, gold, goldy yellow, light pink, and a hot pink. And let's see, okay, it came out last year, so maybe not that new. But aren't those pretty? And they're a really good size too. Let me measure them just in case you're interested. Maybe it's about 4 centimeters wide, which is a little bit more than 1/8. So nice and small. Love using ones like that for flower centers. And I also got this die from Paper Tray Ink, and this one is a newer one, and it's called Country Hand Basket. It doesn't look like much here, and this just came in today, otherwise I would have cut it out. But this is what it looks like, and these are the 2 pieces, right? Yeah. So you can put it together and then put something inside it. And I love the shape of the basket and the texture on it. So this has images shown at 50% actual size, so obviously twice as big as that. So yeah, isn't that cute? I don't know if I have any Paper Tray Ink dies. I have their papers, and maybe I do. I don't remember. But if I do, I haven't bought them in a long time. So I picked that up from scrapbook.com, and I think Paper Tray Ink is new to scrapbook.com. I also got this washi because I saw it on somebody's channel, and I forget who it was. I apologize, but I thought it was adorable. I love these rainbows. This is called My Favorite Summer from Echo Park. It's not a new collection, I don't think. Does it say on there? Oh, I guess it is 2022. Okay. But yeah, isn't that really, really cute? And I have been using my washi, so, you know, I didn't feel too bad about getting that. And I don't buy washi often at all, so I have to really like it to buy it, and I do love that one. So there's that. And so these are the freebies that I got. I got this sheet of alphas, and they're just white alphas from scrapbook.com brand. And yeah, so you know, I would definitely not have paid more to ship my order just to get that. No. And same with this. These are stickers that were free from Paper House, and they are Father's Day themed, or, you know, any kind of dad card. So this is from, I'm not sure what year it's from. Doesn't say. But I thought those were kind of cute, and I don't know if I'll use them, but, you know, since they were free, I'll keep them in my stash. And this one I will definitely use. And I've seen this at Joann's, and I've almost gotten it a few times, and I'm glad I didn't because it was free at scrapbook.com. So this is the Hero Arts stamp set, and it's called B. So I thought this was a great freebie, and I just love that little honey jar. And of course you can make that a jam jar too. And I actually have a Lawn Fawn set. So one of the recent releases had a lot of strawberries in it, and there's like a little label you could put on that said jam or other things like that. So that would be good on there. And that font is really cute. Sweet as honey. There's honeycomb, cute little bees, beehive or a bee scap. and flowers, happy B-Day, and then this kind of like flower design. So yeah, that was cute. So that was my scrapbook.com order this week. Like I said, I ordered some more this morning, so hopefully I'll be able to show you that next week. All right, I just have a few more things. I got another order of these magnetic sheets from Amazon, and these are the Craftopia ones. These are my favorite. They're the strongest from what I've tried, and my dies stick really well to this. This is super heavy. This is 25 of them, and they've raised the price too, so I'm really bummed about that. I did join the subscribe and save program for these, so hopefully, well, it will, you know, decrease the price a little bit, but still, and they're so heavy, I might have to rethink my die storage from now on. So that's all I got from Amazon. I went to Hobby Lobby to look at the clearance, and I just got a few things. I got a few charms. This owl I thought was adorable. I love her little face, and she has flowers in her hair. So it was reduced from $5.99 to $1.49. There were a bunch of charms on clearance. I got 3 of them. So there's that one. And then I couldn't resist the hedgehog. Oh, she's so cute. Look at that face. And she's holding like a lucky clover, or yeah. And she has got flowers all stuck in her quills. So I thought that was so cute. And that was $1.49 also. And the last one I got was from the Fairy Tale collection. And this one just says Fairy Garden. I thought this was so adorable. And I plan to use this like in paper crafting because it's really not that thick. And I think this would be a nice addition to like a card or something. So this one was only 99 cents from $2.99. So that one, that should have been, if it's 75% off, it should have been less than that, right? Yeah, but whatever, 99 cents is not bad. And then I got this as well. This is a jewelry polishing cloth, and it was $7.99 reduced to $1.99. This was across the aisle from this in like the jewelry tools section. So I've had one of these before, and they work really well. I'm going to try it. My ring is silver, so I'm going to try it on that. I think you can use it on gold too, right? Yep. We'll clean and polish gold, silver, and other precious metals without effort. And let's see. All right, so I'm just going to take off my ring, and we'll give it a try. So you can see that it's not very shiny right now. So the texture of this kind of gives me the heebie-jeebies a little bit, but that's all right. And it doesn't smell wonderful, but it's okay. Not too bad. Oh, it is shining up really nicely, huh? Well, that's good to know. I have one for polishing, like, you know, silverware and stuff like that. So I thought one for my jewelry would be nice. And I have, you know, some silver stuff. Probably more than gold. Like my wedding ring is gold and my engagement ring, so I'll try it on that too. So, oh yeah, that's doing really nicely. Wow, I didn't realize it was so so dirty. Ew. But I wear this ring all the time, so no wonder. But anyway, yeah, that looks pretty good, huh? And I'll do it more carefully. But anyway, that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. And that's it for my haul, you guys. I have a few things that I'm keeping in mind. I posted on Instagram. You might have seen it if you follow Frank Garcia on Facebook. He is releasing a line called Strawberry Milkshake with Prima. Oh my gosh, it is so cute for the little snippets that I've seen. So I cannot wait to buy that. So I'm trying not to spend too much until that comes out. And there are some really cute Christmas collections coming out. If you go on a Cherry on Top, you can look on the pre-orders or coming soon section of the website, and you can see like all the different Simple Stories and Cartabella and Prima, maybe not Prima, I'm not sure, but Crate Paper. So there's really, really cute Christmassy things coming out. So can't wait. And I did get a KS Craft June design team package in the mail this week, and I did post a unboxing video of that. So I've been working on some stuff, and it's coming up coming out really, really cute. So I should have another video in the next couple days showing you the projects that I'm working on so far. So that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my small haul. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. And yeah, have a wonderful weekend. Hope you stay cool. It's going to be hot here, so I'll be crafting in my nice cool basement, hopefully. All right, guys, thanks again, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.